Hey, what's up everybody on YouTube? Delan here, and I'm coming back with a new tutorial. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a previous one, but I've just been busy with school and stuff. You know how it is. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a graph from scratch on Excel. So yeah, first things first, obviously you need Excel, and you need to have your data points. So what we're going to do is that we're going to go open up Excel. If I can type. And we come to this screen, which is the regular Excel screen. So what you're going to do is put in your X and Y coordinates in the A and B column. It doesn't matter which order, just make sure that you know which one's X and Y. So I'm going to label this X, label this Y, and we're just going to make up random coordinates like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here we'll have like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Right? It's pretty simple. That you just copy and paste your coordinates onto this from wherever you have them. Next, you're going to go to Insert, and you're going to go under Scatter, and you're going to click the first one. And you'll come to this screen. If there are things written on it, then just right-click and click Select Data, which is what we're going to do anyway, right? You're going to click Add, and you're going to name, this is the title of the graph, the series name. So you can name it anything. So I'm going to name it Tutorial, right? I clicked Enter accidentally. This is your X values. So you're going to click this button right here, and you're going to click the first value, hold Shift, and go to the last value, and then click this button again. And same thing for the Y. First value, hold Shift, and the last value. And this might happen sometimes. I don't know why Excel does it, but it does. So just eventually it'll stop. Hate Excel. Let's try this again. There we go. Alright, so now we click OK and we're done with that. So this is what our graph looks like, which is alright. You know, with this I hate, so I'm just gonna delete that, get it out of the way. Now there's multiple things you can do with this. You can go under the Design tab. There's this, right? There's different styles of graphs, so you can have it like this, you know, it's dependent. This is generally good, or you could have this, which is also good. But yeah, so you go through whichever design you like. I'm just going to keep it at the one it is. And then you go under Layout. Under Layout, you can add, you can choose to add grid lines, and generally for things like projects or labs, you're going to want the grid lines for the major and minor grid lines. So yeah, you can just label these to anything you want. You know, it doesn't matter. Now for some things, for school projects, for example, or for like physics, they might tell you to put in a line of best fit. So where you go is you go to Treadline, and then you go to more Treadline options, right? And depending on what your graph looks like, you can put in a linear, a logarithmic, you know, it depends on what your graph looks like. Most of the time it's gonna be linear. So yeah. You can also display the equation of the chart, which is like the y equals mx plus b, that kind of thing, which is pretty good to have. And that's basically it. That's how you create it. If you want the line of best fit to go to the beginning, like to 0, what you do is you click on the line, or you go back to Treadline and more Treadline options, and then you put it backwards to however much it is. So in this case, it's 1. You will put it backwards by 1, and it would go all the way to 0. So yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a comment, like, subscribe for more, and peace.